Hey everyone, so ESTDo757 here, and this will just be a quick video, not a system test, just gonna test the batteries here and everything. In this case they're warm, probably because the cabinet's warm. No, the batteries are warm. Huh, I guess they're going bad. Anyway, they're just batteries in there that are enough to clear the panel. We'll give that a go there and just see where this goes. Just do our monthly testing. Oh, that's the other panel here that I just demoed. Okay. I'll just check the voltage here of the is it diagnostics? No, it's reports. Reports. You can go into this in the EST panels, Edwards line of panels, and just find the I'm looking for here, internal status, I think it is. Here we go. Internal status 2513. Yeah, the battery might need to be changed at some point. It's getting kind of old. 2505, yeah, it's got to be changed soon. 2502. Just keep going around there and just check it. 24, yeah, it's getting low. Okay, so go ahead and open the poll, and we'll do a quick check of the alarms, and it'll receive my alarm message, which should check that the communicator is communicating with my form of notification for receiving a fire alarm. So let's go ahead. I just have two horn strobes, this one and that one there. This is just a strobe. Check find the reports and check that. Quick as I can. 2348. So yeah, this looks like it might need a battery change because these are getting warm. So I guess I'll get some batteries on order. It doesn't have to be too big. It's just two 7 amp hour batteries. It's not like it's a big system. So, but it does protect the garage. I mean, sorry, the shed, I guess. It's not a garage. It's not attached to another building. So, but I guess it's a garage. It's a sort of garage, I guess. But it's a small door to open out. It does protect this building. So I get an alarm notification if there's something going on in here. Not only that, the horn strobes won't only go off if there's smoke, but the bell will there too. I might actually get rid of that at some point just because it kind of seems pointless, right? You have all these horn strobes here. Everything should be as it should, right? I might get some horn strobes though. Some simplex horn strobes, free run though. Which would be cool mechanical horns, which would be nice. I just want two of them. One there and just have like a simplex strobe up there or something. Would be kind of cool. Anyway, that's it. Flip this, reset, and that should be it for this quick test of the monitoring and everything else, making sure everything works. You can see a pole there. Yeah, there it goes. Quick little green light pole. Alright, there's that. We'll flip it on, and no doubt the charge current might be a little higher because the batteries are going bad. Yeah, charge current might be higher because the batteries go bad. Typically, if the batteries are bad, sometimes the voltage might be higher, or sometimes the charge current might be even higher than usual. Normally it's around less than an amp or an amp of charging, but if it's more than that, then there's actually, what am I doing? I have one of those DC current meters. Give it a check to see where the charge current is, eh? Take my, set it on DC. Yeah, okay. I have it the wrong way. Wrong current direction. So this is on. Okay, so it's 803 milliamps. Okay, so 800 milliamps, dropping a little. So 780 milliamps for the current that's running through it. So yeah, it might be getting bad. Typically they're not terribly that much if they're okay batteries, like if they're charged all the time. There hasn't been a power outage in a while, so yeah, that might need to be changed. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching.